Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It feels good to be back in the studio. We're back from vacation. We had a nice time. We know you missed your double dose. We're gonna flood your inboxes with awesome watch faces. We're bagged up on some top free watch faces, animated and digital as well as analog, and we're bagged up on developer reviews. So get ready. We got some hardcore watch faces coming your way right now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. We got some awesome animated watch faces. We got 3 in all and they all are top notch. Cool? So let's go ahead. Let's check this one out. It's called Heart Rate Monitor 12/24 hours animated. Now you've seen the work of this developer before. This guy definitely gets down. I like that the developers are continuing to take this thing to a whole new level so far as watch faces are concerned. This one is different from anyone that I've seen thus far, and it's geared towards exercising, more so toward your heart rate. Now in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as if it was on, but when it's on, it has a meter that gives you information on where you are with your exercising activity or your daily activity, right? So right here, you can see where it says relax. If you go up, you see it in green. It says V light, light, moderate, and this is talking about your workout. And you go over, it says hard, and you got maximum. So if you have maximum, that really means you're putting the work in. I'm telling you, this thing looks good. You got an animated heart beating right there, which I love the animation of that. Now, if you look, you got the date at the top. It also gives you information on your steps, and you got a meter. Again, it's going to let you know where you are with your exercising. Now I'm at relax because I ran a little bit just to test the watch face out, and it does work. And this of course is your heart rate information, and you come down, and I like that space where it gives you your battery info, miles walked or ran, and it gives you digital time that's very legible. And this here is also animated, so I'm thinking the developer done an awesome job. I'm going to give this guy 4 thumbs up for this one. I thought he did great. Now it is interactive, so if I tap on the time, I can get where I can set an alarm. If I tap right here on my steps, I can get my step info. And if I tap precise on the top of that, I can get my calendar. I'm telling you, this watch face is off the charts. I think the developer did a very good job with this. Again, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Are you going to download? Remember, all the ones that we're about to review today is free. So let's go on and check out watch face number 3. Number 2. Now, number 2 is called 12/24 hour Oenia, and that's a very unique name for a watch face. Now, this watch face is not geared toward exercising for the most part, but still the animation is beautiful, right? Now, in always on mode, it doesn't look so good. It's going to give you your time, your date, your heart rate information. But when the watch face is on, this thing is really a thing of beauty. I like the creativity. The developer that created this one created number 1, and this guy is steadily raising the bar. Now, what I like about the watch face, first of all, is that the animation of the world is fluid. There's no real lag or pixelation to this thing. It's just fluid, and I'm liking the look, and it gives you all the vital information that most people are looking for out of a watch face. You get the time at the top, you come down, you're going to get step info, and you're also going to get your date. Now, you get heart rate information as well as your seconds and battery info with this watch face as well. But if I tap at the bottom, if I need to set an event or I need to see the calendar, you can tap there. And if I tap on the world, of course, I could go into my settings, which I thought was pretty cool. Get your heart rate information as well. Everything is by a single tap, which I thought was pretty cool. My question to you is what do you think? Because I thought the developer definitely did a great job on his watch face, and I'm going to give this one 2 thumbs up. I'm liking this one. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if you're going to download this one or if you're going to leave it right where it's at, even though it is free. All right, you all, let's go on. Let's check out watch face number 3. Last but not least, people, watch face number 3. Now, this one is nice, quite different from the last 2, but still it's by the same developer, and this developer, again, done a good job on this watch face. Now, the name of it is called Heart Rate Max. It's a 12 and a 24-hour watch face based off of your settings on your smartphone. Now, this is an animated watch face, as you can see, very nice, not a bad look. Now, I like the way it looks in the always on mode, but on, I think looks a lot better. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you got an animation going there. If you look in the center of the watch, you got an animation going there as well. And dead center, that's your heart. That's your heart beating. This guy took it to a whole new level. I don't know. I just like that developers are getting very creative with this. And this one here is definitely one of the ones that is off the charts. Now, what you get, you're going to get your time, which this is your hour, and that's going to be your minute over there. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your step info, and up at the top, of course, you're going to get your heart rate. Now, he also gave you some shortcuts. You get Wednesday, you also get your month and your day, and you also get health information and your settings, and they are inactive, and I like that. I like that they made it inactive. I can get my calendar. I can get my calendar again. Settings, you can go in there and get your settings. So I thought this was definitely a great look so far as the watch face is concerned. And I was very surprised. I love animated watch faces. I don't know about you, but hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And again, let me know if you're going to download all three, or just let me know which ones you're going to download. All right, you all, it feels really, really good to be back. I missed you guys. And I'm going to see you all at the next video, but make sure you subscribe if you already haven't, and make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And again, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.